Sigela, welcome to my YouTube channel. So let's also talk about Ubaloyi Nosibanda. There is something that really disturbed me also. I was very confused. Today, we have something very interesting that was happening. Ubaloyi Nosibanda were both using the microphone. I don't know if defense missed that part because now I was left confused. Why is Baloyi talking on that microphone? And also Sibanda is also talking. Kanti, which one is going to deal with? Why are they at the same time using the microphone? Isn't it supposed to be one prosecutor at a time? I don't know if it was just me who noticed that. Why were they both today? Today was just full of drama, guys. No, a lot of drama unfolded in that court. As if Kesana, that part of Baloyi being the one that speaks at times and then Sibanda at times, and then I'm confused. Which one is this one now we are doing here? Which protocol is this? What kind of a procedure is that both prosecutors will be speaking at the same time as if both of them will be doing cross-examination? What the hell was that? I got shocked by that procedure. It was the first time seeing it. As if that was not enough. Now they talk about this issue, and then they are objecting. And we did not understand objecting to what. And Uram simply was looking at them like, normally is confused. What are you objecting to? Hey! And then eventually Unxumalo was asking, what are these people objecting to? Both of them are objecting, but to what? Guys, there was an objection that did not make sense, that needed a full explanation because you are not making sense. You are objecting what exactly? Guys, this Monday was blue, okay? In that courtroom of Judge Ratamu, Blue Monday was on steroids because Sana, a lot happened in a space of a short time, and I could not, at my big age, I was confused. Suri, at my big age, I was so fucking confused because a lot was happening at the same time, and I was trying to understand. Batina Babandu, what is happening here? And I did not understand. And besides being shocked by them being on the rise together at the same time, and then the objection, the other issue that was quite astonishing to me was how these guys are willing to take everything up there or at the bottom. I don't know. This is under the ocean bottom, Kesana, because everything is going wrong. Yet when you still have time to be opposing shit. Aibo! Everything is going wrong when you still want to be opposing shit. Really, Baloyi? Really, Sibanda? No, I must applaud Baloyi. Uneliva, ubra. Ay, unesibindi. Unesibindi, and isibindi sakhe sinezinye izibindi. Isibindi sakhe sinezinye izibindi because you can't be telling me Ubaloyi is busy pushing shit. Haibo! That courtroom this Monday was just blue and it was a shit show from beginning to the end. And oh my God. What a Monday. Abobaloyi fighting battles that are not making sense. Abobaloyi fighting imfazwe that you are trying to hear them. You are not understanding because the shit is shitting Sanalam. I've never been this confused. Oh, Sana, I've never been this confused. It was quite confusing. You're going to be sensing in that courtroom today. I don't want to lie to you. Unxumalo, yes, he was frustrated about a lot of things, but Sana, I'm tired. That's what it made me the entire situation. Yeah, namhlanje. It was a blue Monday for everyone, I must just admit. It was a blue Monday for everyone. Uye one frustrator, Unxumalo. It got worse when Abobaloyi also made things not to be easy. Because we are having these problems due to a lack of a proper courtroom, what you call a protocol of courtroom not being run right, and having a judge that is Judge Ratamokwatleng is another problem in that courtroom. But most importantly, having yo Yehova wamadinga mahle andiyazi into esikuyo, but the bullshit that is bullshitting in that court is out of this world. Oh, it is out of this world, Sanalam. It is out of this world. I could not believe the things that I was seeing in that courtroom. I could not. So Ubaloyi sits at home and think that what is the other way of sabotaging the Senzo Meyiwa murder trial every day? Is that what they do? Every day they sit and think of ways of sabotaging the Senzo Meyiwa case. Every day, Ubaloyi is trying to find ways. How do I? And then they lie and say the defense is making this case late and is making this case not move forward. Yet they pull these stunts in that courtroom, and no one talks about them when the time comes, and the blame always goes to the defense. That is what is really frustrating me and really. I've never seen a case enamashwa njengento kaSenzo. Oh, inamashwa sana lami into yakhe. Inamashwa. Ayandiyazi into esikuyo. Guys, what are your thoughts? Did you guys, I want to hear from you. Did you see ukuthi ujudge, sorry, uGeorge Baloyi, no, Ronnie Sibanda, they were both using the microphone and responding to things in court today, both of them. Did you see that? Let's first discuss that in the comment section. Secondly, did you hear them doing an objection that was not even clear? It's objection from what? Those are the core parts of the video that I want you to deal with when you are having conversations there in the comment section, because I did not understand what was that all about. When did you understand what was going on there? Because I did not. I am still shocked. I am still trying to come to terms to what was happening in my head. Did you understand what was happening in that courtroom? Because I did not. I won't lie. I did not understand what was happening. Did you get to understand what was happening? Let's talk with comment section. Please make sure your discussions are very respectful. Please make sure you don't forget to like, to share, to comment, and most importantly, please make sure you are subscribed on the channel. Please make sure you are watching the videos up until the end and you are watching the ads that are coming through. When you are doing that, you'll be supporting the channel financially and in numbers. And also, kindly please make sure that you stick around, because what we do here, we analyze what is happening in that courtroom. And Sana, every day we bring you drama. So today, this Monday, it was a blue Monday. It was a dramatic Monday. It was a lot of things unfolding at the same time. There was too much drama. It was unflavorable. Hey, it was not peaceful. I want to hear from you. What are your thoughts about what was happening inside the courtroom of Judge Ratamokwatleng? Because it left me shocked. It left me shocked. I want to hear from you. Thank you so much. Enjoy. Bye-bye.